Hi, welcome to Storydoc. Today I'm going to walk you through the process of creating your very first Storydoc story. Great! After you'll sign up and activate your account, you'll be able to access your Storydoc platform. Here it is. There you'll see the first step, select template. Here you can choose blank to start from scratch, or you can choose your first template. For example, here, a company presentation. So let's choose template to start with. Here, the step number 2 is to select the theme for your template, for your story. Here as well, I can choose blank to insert my design system or brand book and customize it here. Or if I don't have it or don't have time or just want to move forward, I can choose one of the preset themes that we have here. I will choose purple right now. I can customize it as well now or later. But now let's just select and continue. Alright, now the story is created. You can see here my Storydoc number 1. I will be able to tweak it and change this name later. This is the editor. I can edit any one of those slides. I can change the order, add more slides, and tweak and manage all the copy and assets that I have here. But we'll do it later on a different video of how to edit your story. Right now, let's focus on how to preview, save, and publish your story. So, after I'll finish to edit it, I can click here, preview, to see my Storydoc story. This is, of course, just the template. I can change everything here. After I'm quite happy with the result, I can click here to save it, save my my story. Now, all the changes that I've done are now saved in the platform, and now I can change the story name. For example, instead of story name number 1, my Storydoc new, for example, and I can even change and tweak the sharing preview image and sharing description. If I'm going to share it on social media, that's what will be the preview. I can click here, save, and now my story is saved, and I can publish it or close and keep on changing and keep on editing. Let's click on now publish to publish my story. Now what's going on behind the scenes, the story is becoming from a draft to a live link that I can now share and send to my prospect, customers, friends, and family. So now you've published your story. I can create a shareable link now or close it. Let's close it for now. In one of the next videos, I'm going to show you how to send your story, how to create a shareable link, send it to your prospects, customers, and then get the analytics and see everything about it. So let's get back to the main page. And here you'll see that we have our new Storydoc story. I can preview it now. From here, I can preview, duplicate it to a new story, or archive it if I don't want it to. In the next videos, as I said, I'm going to show you how to edit your story or how to create a shareable link to send it to your prospects and customers. Thank you so much, and happy storytelling. Bye-bye. Hi, hello again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your Storydoc story. So in the previous video, I've shown you how to create your first story. This is the story that we've created together, my Storydoc number 1. And now we're going to edit it. So in order to edit, I just click edit here and open the editor window. So here you can see the editor. On this side, you can see all the slides that create your story. And on this side, all the buttons that will control the edit options for each and every one of those slides. So let's say, for example, that I want to change this one, the and it works slide. So all I need to do is click here, edit slide. And now let's change the text, the title. Okay. And let's change this one, this first running number, the first of the running number, to instead of 25% to be 99 plus. And let's see the text to be new customers. And I want to change the icon of this running number instead of this chart to something that is more customer related. So I'm clicking here, and here the media is icon. I can click here and change to a different icon that will be more relevant to this text. So let's say, for example, user is something that's related. So I can choose the user that I think will be most fitted, and I can click OK. Now if I click OK again, you'll be able to see that the title is now changed, and the first number is now, as I said, like 99 plus, and a new icon. Great. Now let's change the background color and image of this slide. Now it's just blue and those building images. So I'm clicking here, edit design. And you can see here that I have the background color and background image. Let's change the background color to be this dark blue. Those colors are from your theme that you chose for, and always you can change it on your design settings. So I'll choose this color, and I say I want to change it to this bottles image. And done. Let's click OK, and you'll see that the color is now changed and the image as well. Now let's add another component to our story. So I can click here, add new slide. This is the slides library, and you can see here that each slide is already with your colors, the color of the theme of the template. So let's say, for example, that I want to add some data to my story. I click here and see that automatically I have now a new slide with text, title, and chart. Let's change this chart together. So this one's the title, and here I can control each and every one of those bars for this bar chart. So let's say that I want to remove one, change the title of the first one to 2019 and the second one to 2021. And I can say that for 2021 is $34 million. You can see the suffix and prefix. And for 2019, it was 99. And of course, I can change the color of this bar from this yellow and this to something else. Let's choose again this dark color. Once I click here, OK, you'll see that the title, the bar titles, and the colors is now changed. That's it. Once I want to see and to review all the changes that I've created, I can click here, preview, and that will create me a version that I can see and review before going live. So I can go here and to see this change that we've created and this new bar. And as you can see, this is a preview link, so you'll know not to send it to your customers and prospects. Let's go back to the editor. Now I can hide this component. I can duplicate another one, and I can even change the order goes from the component. So if I want to take this and put it just after the cover, that's fairly easy to do. So what we learned in this video is to change the content inside a slide, add new slide, hide a slide that I want to show anymore, and to change the order. Let's see how everything is now presented in the preview. As you can see, this one is now here, and I cannot see the chart because we hide it, this chart. That's it. After I finish the preview, I can save the story, publish, and send it to my customers and prospects. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye bye.